Good morning, sir. Myself Tanishka Singh, roll number 205024, going to present on the topic Theory of Equilibrium. When a body moves on a smooth curve, which is shown by the graph, then it takes different positions. It will be rest at point A, that is this, B and C. Which are the positions of maxima and minima of the curve? If the body is slightly displaced from the position of rest at a point A and C, that is this and this, then it will try to come in its original position of rest. Here the equilibrium of the body is stable, whereas if it is displaced from the position at B, that is this, then it will try to go further away from the position. Here the equilibrium of the body is said to be unstable. Let a body be slightly displaced, that is types of equilibrium. Let a body be slightly displaced from its position of equilibrium, then equilibrium is said to be stable equilibrium. If the forces acting on the body bring it to the original position, then it is said to be stable equilibrium. And unstable equilibrium, if the forces acting on the body bring it away from the original position, then it is said to be unstable equilibrium. Example of stable equilibrium: a base heavy body is an example of stable equilibrium. Let this is the body, and base of this body is heavy, so it will not move from its original position. It will stay at its original position. And example of unstable equilibrium: a top heavy body is an example of unstable equilibrium. Suppose this is the body and its top is heavy, then it will move from its position. It will not be stable at its position. So this is the example of unstable equilibrium. Condition for stable and unstable equilibrium. Thus the condition for stable equilibrium is f dash theta naught is equals to 0 and f double dash theta naught is less than 0, which is also condition for maximum of work function, that is W. In other words, for stability of equilibrium, W is maximum at theta is equals to theta naught. Similarly, condition for unstable equilibrium are f dash theta naught is equals to 0 and f double dash theta naught is greater than 0, which is condition for minimum of W, that is work function. Example of unstable and stable equilibrium. Here are two problems. For conservative system, the equilibrium is stable or unstable according as the potential energy are true, minimum or maximum. When forces are conservative, potential energy of the body is given by V is equals to C minus W, where C is constant. dV is equals to minus dW and dV is equals to 0. So dW is also equals to 0. But W is equals to f theta. Hence, f dash theta is equals to 0. Let theta is equals to theta naught for V is maximum and when W is equals to minimum, when W is maximum. Hence, the system is stable when potential energy is minimum and system is unstable when potential energy is maximum. The system is stable. And the second example is a force beam of thickness 2b rests symmetrically on a perfectly rough horizontal cylindric of radius A shown in the equilibrium. Show that the equilibrium of the beam will be stable or unstable according as B is less than or greater than A. Here is the solution. We know that the equilibrium is stable if when 1 upon h is greater than 1 upon r plus 1 upon r, and unstable if 1 upon h is less than 1 upon r plus 1 upon r. In this problem, we have h is equals to b, r is equals to a, and r is equals to infinity. That is, h is equals to b, height, r is equals to a, that is radius. So for stable equilibrium, 1 upon b is greater than 1 upon a, or 1 upon b is less than a. So for unstable equilibrium, 1 upon b is less than 1 upon a, or b is greater than a. Now applications of theory of equilibrium on system of forces. The first application is when architects or engineers design building, they have to make certain that all forces, both rotational or translational, are balanced. And the second application is when we build a structure like bridge or house, we try to balance all force. Each part of the building we have to make sure that all translational forces is or all translational forces sum is 0, so some part of the building does not move from side to side or up or down. We have to make sure that off center force don't cause some part of building twist or rotate around another point. And the second application of theory of equilibrium on string. Firstly, we have discussed on the system of forces. Now we will discuss application of theory of equilibrium on string. It can also be applied to the cable or exercise machine at gym. The overhead wiring that passes power in the rail industry. This is used application of equilibrium of string. And next is Poinsot's central axis, and this is the graph you can say, a line through a rigid body which is parallel to vector sum f of the system of forces acting on the body which is located, so that the system of the forces is equivalent to the force F applied anywhere along the line plus a couple whose torque is equal to the component of the total torque exerted by the system in the direction. And last part of my topic is applications of theory of virtual work. In mechanics, virtual work arises in the application of principle of least action to the study of forces and movement of mechanical systems. And next application for virtual work is an important benefit of principle of virtual work is that only forces that do work as the system moves through the virtual displacement are needed to determine the mechanics of the system. Thank you so much. And this was end of my topic.